Hey guys, welcome to Classic Gaming. So today we'll be looking at Hitman Absolution. And if you guys have played the game, you would know that this is the fifth installment of the Hitman franchise.
Maybe someday you will understand.
She's dead, isn't she?
So the main objective of this mission is to get to the holding cell at the back of the court where it's believed Victor has been housed in. Before I jump into the mission, I'm not sure if you guys would want to see how the game plays out in this court episode, but trust me, it's something to really laugh about, so check it out.
People versus Timothy Hawk, charged with breaking and entering, criminal mischief, destruction of private property, criminal trespassing with
Mr. Hawk is no stranger to this courtroom.
The defendant is pleading not guilty by reason of extraordinary circumstances. The prosecutor has petitioned Your Honor to dismiss that defense on the basis of video evidence that establishes defendant's guilt. Absolutely.
The state has the floor.
It's the UN. They're using the gnomes to enslave us. I'm not mad. I'm interested in freedom.
The state has the floor, Mr. Hawk. You are not the state. God. You will have your chance to spout foolishness at the appropriate time. State?
Your Honor, the state has videotaped evidence of the defendant caught in the act of most of the charges on this docket. We repeat our belief that the defendant is not mentally competent and ought to be removed immediately for comprehensive psychiatric evaluation. But, as Your Honor has already dismissed that request, we will continue to make our case.
I've seen the documents. It's all in black and white. English, French, Chinese, and Tex-Mex. Destroy the gnomes before it's too late. The UN won't stop until they can control all our brains.
Simmer down, Mr. Hawk. You're charged with the destruction of 67 garden gnomes at Baldwin's Garden Shop.
Baldwin's UN Mind Control Distribution Center, you mean? I'm fighting for all of us, don't you get it?
State would like to repeat its request to get the defendant into psychiatric evaluation.
I'm not crazy. It was the fall of the Seventh Empire. That's when the UN made its plan. And the gnomes have eyes. Those are the cameras. They have ears. Those are the microphones. They transmit and send signals to the towers, the relays, the satellites. They have infrared cerebral wave monitors inside that can make you do things. They make you move. They make you think something you wouldn't normally think. Boyle bounces the waves. I'm the only sane one here!
Your Honor, if we can't get this lunatic into appropriate medical care, let's just review the videotaped evidence, huh? The legitimacy of which the defense has not disputed, so we can just confirm his guilt and go home.
All right, let's watch some movies. Who's got the popcorn?
Hey, you got that VCR up and running? Yep. Yeah. Fuck. Dinosaur. Yeah, it's all ready. All right, good.
Defense care to make a statement at this time?
Objection! Out of order! These illegal videos only show what I did, not why I had to do the things I did. I demand videotape of the UN Security Council's secret meeting of June 17th, 1953.
Motive is not exculpatory in cases such as yours, Mr. Hawk. I strongly dislike my brother-in-law because I happen to know he's a drunken gambling ass. That does not carte blanche to slash his tires, or kidnap his Irish setters, or take a baseball bat to his skull. More's the pity. We're gonna watch this videotape one more time. When it's over, you're going to plead not guilty by reason of complete imbecility. Or I'm gonna sentence you to the maximum sentence allowed by the laws of our great state. Maestro, if you will.
Yes, Your Honor, right away.
Boring!
Be quiet, Mr. Hawk.
highest production value. Where did you make it? How do you sleep at night?
We did not make this, Mr. Hawk. This is you, caught red-handed on camera, at the scene of the crime.
Oh, I think I know how this ends. Get ready for this. The cop has a split personality disorder. No, he was really the serial killer all along.
Just watch the movie, Mr. Hawk.
Hey, what's up?
Made me do it. They can do it.
That sounds an awful lot like a confession to me, Mr. Hawk.
Boring.
Be quiet, Mr. Hawk.
See? You see? That's the power of the UN.
Order. Mr. Hawk, I am doing everything in my power to assure you a fair trial. I am no fan of the UN and believe your ideas deserve a fair hearing, but you need to shut up.
I need to pee.
Well, we have technical problems and an incontinent defendant, so we'll take a short break.
Good to see you. What's up?
5-minute recess.
I don't know what's wrong. It just stopped.
Sure, it's just an overload. I am no fan of the UN and believe your ideas deserve a fair...
Can't come in here, sir.
Here's another funny
What do
moment
you,
when they're actually talking.
what do you got in there?
As I said, this is what I like about the game, the interaction, but this is really funny.
No, wait,
if you don't like
is it a
you
secret
can
government
fast
lab?
forward to where actually get into the action.
Don't tell me. A nightmarish torture cellar where you pit prisoners against each other in a grisly death match? Come on, you can tell me. What is it?
Now don't go doing anything silly. Back off.
All right. Jeez, I'm only asking. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I do appreciate that.
So this bald guy walks into a bar, right?
Hold on now, is this a joke?
No, listen. My brother-in-law was there.
Oh, yeah. Talking about the Great Balls of Fire thing, right?
Yeah, right. So he walks into the bar.
So I'm gonna
total
kind of
stranger,
wait a little
and he
right
goes,
here before I
"Any
actually
you
do anything.
sorry-ass sons of bitches seen Lenny the Limp. Like throwing a match on a pile of dynamite.
Shit, yeah. I heard it was a hell of a ruckus even for that shithole. I just thought it was another trucker versus biker thing, though. Am I wrong?
Yeah, that's what's so weird. No one really wants to talk about it, but the guys who've been looking into it, well, they say the bald guy kicked the living shit out of nearly everyone in the bar.
One guy against that crew? No fucking way.
Hey, that's what the grapevine's saying. Don't hang the hangman.
Yeah, well, they do a lot of crystal meth and say stupid things now, don't they?
Yeah, sure. Grapevine says a lot of things. But I'm not talking about the grapevine. I'm talking about the cops investigate.
Come on, stupid. Use your brain. Bar full of 50 bikers and truckers is with an automatic weapon. You know, from what I heard, this is just an old-fashioned barroom brawl. Come on, man, think about it. It's really impossible for one guy to do that. Care if he's fucking 10 feet tall.
You are a first-class moron, aren't you?
Huh, that's a badass gun you got there, mister.
You're the best. Talk to you later.
Hear ye, hear ye. Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Strickland presiding.
Case dismissed.
What the hell was that shit?
My fucking nose! And two of them are dead, Your Honor!
This is an outrage!
Order. Court adjourned.
That man was guilty! Guilty!
This is one of the funniest part of this mission, with the judge actually acquitting this guy that actually broke in and destroyed some of the property of some of these people. So I think it's really fun to actually put on the suit.
Hey, so you're kind of one of those close talker guys. Well, me, I'm not so much that thing. So if you would please just take a step back, we can communicate.
You just struck a mighty blow for freedom, Your Honor, but the UN will not take this defeat lying down. They're on to you now. Run while you still can, while your thoughts are still your own.
The thing I like about using the judge's disguise is that it allows you to access any part of the court area without any form of limitation. The police or no other employee actually suspect any form of behavior, so you can basically access any form without any form of limitation, and you can just do anything you want.
Flush this gun from the street, will ya?
About now.
Ah, relax. Just tell the truth and you'll be fine.
Yeah, that's not what my lawyer's been telling me. It's just, I've heard stories about that judge. You say he's a real hard ass.
Nah, he's alright. Firm but fair, you know? Ah, try and squeeze in a reference to the Queen. That'll get you on his good side.
The Queen?
Yeah. Apparently the judge is like a quarter British, and since he found out, he's like obsessed with everything across the pond. He even gets up there and...
Nice. Since I'm the law, why not take it? You know, you may have a person that may not be happy with their sentence. So I'm going to fast forward back to the courtroom so we can complete this part of the mission. So if you actually like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks.